Assalamualaikum and welcome to the video. In this video we are going to discuss about one of the basic topic of psychology that provide basis to the psychology. So in this video we discuss about branches of psychology. There are many branches of psychology, but the two broad or main fields are applied psychology and pure psychology. First we will discuss about the pure psychology. Pure psychology is the branch of psychology that focus on developing fundamental understanding of human behavior and mental process. It also suggests various method and technique for the analysis, assessment, modification and improvement of behavior, that how we modify, analyze and improve our behavior. It also provide the framework and theory, and this branch provide us understanding about the human behavior and mental process, that how we develop the understanding. There are the different type of pure psychology, and these all are the types of a pure psychology. First one is the general psychology. It deal with the fundamental rule, principle and theories of psychology in relation to the study of behavior of normal adult. It's mean in this we will study about the relationship, and in this we will study about the mind. This include cognition, perception, behavior and emotion. Next one is the abnormal psychology. It deal with the behavior of individual who are unusual, means who are abnormal, who are different from the normal. In this we will study about the mental disorder, their causes and treatment. This branch of psychology deal with the abnormal individual and their causes and their treatment. And further we will discuss about the social psychology. Social psychology is related to the society. Social psychology is the study of how individual or group influence each other and how the behavior of different people affect each other, and it deal with the various type of group phenomena such as public opinion, attitude, belief and crowd behavior. Next one is the physiological psychology. This branch of psychology concerned with the relationship between the physical functioning of an organism and its behavior. It concerns with the structure and function of sense organ, nervous system, muscle and gland underlining all behavior. And it next one is the pure parapsychology. Parapsychology is the study of strange mental ability that seem to exist but cannot be explained by expected scientific theories. It deal with the extrasensory perception, causes of rebirth, telepathy and allied problem. Next one is the geopsychology. It is the branch of psychology. It describe and explain the relationship of physical environment, particularly weather, climate, soil with the behavior, that how all these are related with each other. Next one is the developmental psychology, and it is the branch of psychology that focus on how people grow and change over the course of a lifetime, that how the evolution occur within the people and how people are evolved. It is all about the pure psychology and its type. Now we will discuss about the applied psychology. Applied psychology is the study and ability to solve problem within human behavior such as health issue, workplaces or education. In applied psychology, the theory generated through pure psychology find its practical shape. Its application of psychological rule, principle and theory and technique with reference to the real life situation. In this we will discuss about all these the practical shapes, the types of applied psychology. The different type of applied psychologies are these six, represent the types of applied psychology. First one is the educational psychology. Educational psychology is the study of how people learn, including teaching method, instructional process and individual differences in the learning. Means it is which try to apply the psychological principles to the educational setting, that how we can improve the learning process. Next one is the clinical psychology, and it is the branch of psychology that is concerned with the assessment, treatment of mental illness, abnormal behavior and psychiatric problems, and how all these affect the behavior of human being. Next one is the industrial psychology. It is also called as IO, and it is the branch of psychology that deal that how we will apply all the psychological rules in the organization and how we'll improve the work of the employee. This all all aspect we will study in the industrial psychology. Next one is the legal psychology, is a modern term that refer to the study and use of psychology as it applied to the legal system and people who come in contact with the legal system. It tries to study the behavior of person like clients, criminal and witness with the help of application of psychological principle and technique. Next one is the military psychology. It is the branch of psychology that is concerned with the use of psychological principle and technique in the military sciences, that how we will use all these techniques in the military settings for the improvement of the behavior or different many aspects. Last one is the political psychology, and this is the branch of psychology relate itself with the use of psychological principle and technique in studying political and driving political gains, and in this we apply all the psychological rule in the politics for the better results. Thank you. This is all about the branches of psychology.